The MB Slab System is designed to reduce or eliminate joints in slab-on-ground construction. Fiber reinforcement, shrinkage and crack-reducing admixtures, and high-range water-reducing admixtures for enhanced workability. The synergy between these products enable the space between joints to be extended significantly.
The Master Builder Slab System allows you to extend traditional joint spacing out from 12-16 feet. This particular job here, we're pushing the joints out to 50 feet. In some instances, we've gone joint spacings as far as 100 to 200 feet.
We like the Master Builder Slab System because more or less it places and finishes just like normal concrete. The system has exceeded our expectations. Sometimes the slab goes over a month before the joints even activate, so we're very happy with the way it's performed.
Nowadays, you got to have a special filter that goes with your saw to meet OSHA regulations. So by not having that many joints, it's really going to help us on cost and time. Typically on this type of parking lot, we're installing maybe number 4 rebar, 12-inch on center on a heavy truck parking lot like this.
When you eliminate rebar, you eliminate a lot of opportunity for injuries. And this stuff right here dries faster than anything I've ever seen. The guy was cutting on something that we poured at 10 o'clock this morning, and it looked like it'd been there for a month, so pretty impressed. We have not had any incidents on this project, which is the most important thing for me.
Probably save 500 to 600 man hours just in guys tying steel. And we poured that 100,000 square foot warehouse in 5 days. Normally you'd be getting out of there at midnight. We were getting out of there at 7:30, 8 o'clock. Our warehouse that we did in January is nothing but forklift and pallets sliding all over, and it looks like the day we poured it.